shadow upon the wall this morning, a silhouette I used to know so well. The coffee cup still warm, but the meaning's gone cold. A story that my lonely heart must tell. We built our castle right there on the shoreline, with laughter as the martyr dreams so wild. But even the strongest walls of love and trust can crumble grain by grain into the dust. And I watched it go, oh, I watched it go. 'Cause love is stronger than the tide, but it can't stop the erosion deep inside. It pulls you in with such a gentle motion, then leaves your soul in fragments like the ocean. Yes, yes, love is stronger than the tide, but even granite hearts can't always hide the pain. The sun still rise, yeah, the world still turn. A vital lesson every heart must learn. The ache is real, let the healing start. Transform the sorrow into conscious art. For every ending there's a seed to sow, and from this river of tears new waters